Hi, so I'm going to show you how you guys can log into Desmos, which is a program that we're going to be using in second semester for activities and getting our practice in. So I'm going to show you how to create an account. So you can just go to any Google or any Chrome website and you're just going to type in desmos.com. So desmos.com. So it's going to bring you to this website. Okay. And at the top, you're going to click on log in. Okay. This is the most important thing. So we are new to Desmos. Some of you guys do not sign in with your Google account. I cannot accept that personal email. So you want to make sure that you are creating a brand new account using your FLCCA email. So I click on sign up. Okay. So in here, this is where you're going to create an account. You're going to put in your FLCCA email. It has to be your FLCCA email. So for example, mine is afarmer@flccaacademy.org. If you do not know this email, you can click your name in your OLS and it will show you. So if you're in your regular OLS, click your name and click on my account. And that will show you. I think I can do this in this video actually. Oh no, because it'll be personal information. So yeah, you want to go ahead and click on your name at the top right when you're in your OLS and it will give you your email. You are going to put your first name in, you're going to put your last name in, and then you are creating your own password. This is whatever password you would need to log in. You can go ahead and agree to everything and then click create an account. The next thing it's going to do is it's going to ask you if you have a class code, a join. So you want to go ahead and join the code. You need to use the code based on when you see me. So I do have 4 classes, so whatever time you see me is where you'll get that code. That code is most likely attached to my Google Classroom. It also will be attached to the email that was provided to you. It probably will also be in the announcements. So if you need any questions, I hope this was helpful. But yeah, you want to make sure you create an account using your FLCCA email.